पीतांबर सोहे कुंडल की शबन्यारी रे.
Had the privilege of meeting Guru Ashok Kumar Chatterjee a couple of times. Once at the residence of Mr. Shantanu Kapoor and his gracious lady, and again at a conference in Hyderabad recently, just before he passed away, and the privilege of meeting him in Mumbai.
And his work is now being carried on by Srimati Jayati Kapoor, who is the founder working president of Yogiraj Shyamacharan Mission, an ardent devotee of Dr. Ashok Kumar Chatterjee. She is a practitioner of Kriya Yoga Sadhana for 30 years. She, along with Mr. Shantanu Kapoor, founder, member and senior advisor of Yogiraj Shyamacharan Mission, they are the oldest and most senior disciples of Dr. Ashok Kumar Chatterjee. She has been the very active founder working president, and she is behind various spiritual organizations, and she is the spirit behind several centers set up by the Gurudeva.
Kriya Yoga has been relegated to a bartering zone. This indeed is extremely unfortunate, because eternity is not a fad, it is not an ism. Eternity cannot be traded. Today, we see that material attachment seems to have a boundless realm, egging and goading man to aspire and crave for more and more. Man today also is being plagued by the various sensory orientations, the sensory vices of arrogance, of greed, pride, covetousness, jealousy, and a king-size ego. Today's young generation, the teenage and the young generation, they are glued to Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat. The tentacles have spread worldwide. It's not the West who is plagued with this. Please forgive me. Are not being able to produce children with a sense of values. Why? Because the parents themselves are also steeped in crass consumerism. Man has forgotten the basic principle that it is the prana-pervaded universe. It is the evolutionary cycle for which we would have to wait. That is the sanskar. But nevertheless, even if we don't have a very impeccable sanskar, we don't have to worry. If we even have an iota of spiritual content in us, we surely can take this Kriya Yoga Sadhana. Now, we are all Amritasya Putras, that is the son of Lord. What is the proof? Dehastha Sarva Vidyascha, Dehastha Sarva Devata, Dehastha Sarva Tirthani, Guru Bhakkena Labhate. Now, what does this mean? That this human body chariot is a very holy thing in us. Our body chariot is the container of all knowledge, Sarva Vidyascha. The container of all the gods and goddesses of this pantheon, Sarva Devata. And the container of various pilgrimages. Through the help of these chakras, we, by practicing rigorous Adat Kriya Yoga Sadhana, we can arrive at the Vishuddha or the space essence state. After that, as Lahiri Mahashaya has said, Aage marzi mane ki. which means surrender to the lotus feet of the Guru or Bhagwan. Only if we get rid of the baggage we have accumulated so long can we get the infallible, immortal wealth imparted by the Guru. As Guruji would say, if you compare the material wealth of this world, all the material wealth stashed up, on the balancing scale, it's all stashed up till the top, till the hilt, and you place Kriya Yoga Sadhana wealth. Kriya Yoga Sadhana will far outweigh all the material wealth of this world. These realizations or the visualizations of what has been dwelt upon now, if sincerely and meticulously, if it is practiced, a Kriya Yoga practicant can surely become a true human being. He will know the importance of humanity, which has fast degraded. It is almost on the verge of extinction. Why? Because then he will gain a conversance that there is no division between me or the others. All are within me, I am within them. So, this is the teaching of oneness, Advaita, non-duality. We can go beyond the body and the mind. Manmana madbhakta madjaji mam namaskuru. So, this is the state of mindlessness, the desireless desire. Which means what? Without a gross desire, a man cannot, sustain his life's existence. But he will be reposed in that state and perform all his activities. Now this is very, very important. This is again the inherent beauty of Kriya Yoga. You can repose in that state and yet practice or yet abide by your existence. Gahana karmana goti. The karmic cycle which we have to suffer, we will suffer even if we are practicing Kriya Yoga. But with the difference. First, the suffering, suppose if I don't practice this sadhana, suppose I have to, when the karma is going to come, it is going to come. But through Kriya Yoga, the karma is hastened, is expedited, it comes earlier. And the impact or the magnitude of that karma is very, very imperatively, inevitably lessened. You just need to have the inclination, and definitely God will take care. Thank you. Namaskar. Babaji is none other than Shamacharan Lahiri Mahashaya himself. And since this Kriya Yoga science is the Guru Shishya Parampara, so obviously he had to have a Guru. The truth is, Brahma Shamacharan and Jiva Shamacharan. So Jiva Shamacharan has forgotten when he has himself come into this ambit of the kinetic state of 100,000 vibrations. This is why he needs a Guru to get the Diksha, get the initiation, and then he can go up the Kriya Yoga process.